Okay, it's actually 10:20 right now, and
we're on the road and actually entering the park for today's hike.
yep, this is a record.
This is very early for us, but we lacked motivation because there's been a lot of smoke and fire in the air.
Yeah, but we are also trying hard because we really wanted to improve our name to maybe a what? Early wanderers. Let's go.
Remember, please subscribe to our channel. The button is in the lower right.
Hit the thumbs up button.
And leave a comment if you wish.
Also, hit the bell button.
Thank you.
We're going uphill right now towards where, Mahal?
Hurricane Ridge. We're going to attempt to pick the highest spot in Olympic National Park, and hopefully our hike will be above the smoke.
Yes, and these are probably also fog. I can see the sun. What, Mahal?
We did it. Our plan was to maybe, if we got lucky, to go up in elevation and get out of the smoke from the fires. And it appears to have worked.
Praise God.
So we have managed to come to the top of Hurricane Ridge at Olympic National Park. Our goal was to make it above the smoke. You can see the smoke and the fog in the background over there, and now we're able to hike.
Glaciers up there too, and smoke down below.
We're above it, and I'm glad. First time we've seen the sun in days.
It's a paved trail. It's amazing. We're going up there. Up there. I think that the smoke is going up higher and higher. So hopefully when we get into the top, we still can see the mountains up there. But if not, it's okay. We're already grateful for this beautiful day. Wow, we're like going uphill.
I know, but at least it's paved, and if we're lucky, there'll be a passing lane up here.
What does that mean?
That means we're the never quickly wanderers. Or at least that's me.
Right? This is 180 degrees view of this ridge. Reading the sign again.
Resting.
This is 360 degrees view, and I managed to get up here that when I still can see it because the wind is blowing, so I believe that the smoke will cover this mountain. Yeah, it is already starting right now. I'm thankful that we actually see the sun right now. Deer is pooping. He's gonna stay in there. Yep. She's pooping. Darcy!
So when we look out here, The last time we were here was years ago, and it was crystal clear. But now this is a combination of smoke and fog. Smoke, it has a brownish tinge to it, and fog has more of a bluish gray tinge. This is a combination, and it's anybody's guess what percentage is what.
Good job, Mahal.
I think that's just where the thermal is. I don't think there's anything there.
What is thermal mean?
That's where they have to use their wings. They can just glide and gain elevation so they can hunt. Easier for them.
We're stopping to eat our lunch here. This is the view. We can see that the smoke is actually starting to go up here. We think that new one, that white there, it's like fog. And the mountains are all covered there. It might even be rain. We have to put on our rain gear because
We can't tell if it's smoke or rain, but now we think it might be rain.
Yep. Okay guys, hurry up.